Okay, so thanks to the whole coronavirus situation, they canceled school to like the end of April, which is awesome. I get to stay home, sleep in, make sure to stay well informed about the coronavirus. This is no joke. And just a round of applause for all the doctors out there trying to help us out right now. But what's not awesome is online school. I have to do tons of work. I don't get to see my friends. And obligatory Zoom meetings? Nah, that's not for me. So I have come with a solution. I'm going to drop out and make millions of dollars playing blackjack. Genius idea, but you don't know how to play blackjack. That is true. But I guess you don't need to know when you know programming. I present to you AI Blackjack with Java. So let's talk a little bit more about the specifications of this code. I want to make a program that asks the cards dealt to the user, the known card dealt to the house, and any other cards that are in play. Then let the program analyze those numbers and return what should be the best course of action along with the probability of success. And so the reason why I'm able to call this program artificial intelligence is because it uses a lot of if-else statements to compare different numbers and different probabilities. So the answer is not going to always be a constant. This is not going to be a calculator where 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. In some cases, 2 plus 2 might equal to 5. So it takes all those numbers into calculation, into consideration, and it basically does decision making. There's also one more part to the whole UML diagram part. There's this huge giant piece of code called the main, which is where we're going to be running the whole code. And so main comes over here with its input scanners and logic analyzers and tons of different instances of all the classes. Like, it's got a lot, that chunk of code. And so main comes over and he has the user for what cards are on the table and which cards are whose, and he takes those cards and he sends them over to the card database. The card database takes those cards and brings it in. So once all the user input is stored where it's supposed to be, main comes and grabs that raw information and starts analyzing it. Once it has decided what it's supposed to do with that information, he spits out the results. Now, disclaimer, this blackjack program does not ensure win at all. It's not a 100% win rate. What it does is that tells you which move will give you the most success. But that doesn't mean it's going to be good chances of success. I mean, maybe the chances of success are going to be like 55%. So at the end of the day, that's still really bad chances, right? So it just shows how unpredictable this game can be. You shouldn't let something as important as your financial stability be founded on something as unstable as pure luck. Don't do it. It's a really bad idea. If you're going to play betting games or like poker or blackjack, just do it for fun. Don't use any actual money because that's a pretty bad idea. Stay safe. Play it smart. So I managed to finish the code and I'm super happy with how it ended. It works perfectly. I tried tons of test data and it's able to handle it correctly. And the next step is just to show it to you guys. So I got some friends in a call and we're gonna play a couple rounds in blackjack. And whoever gets 3 wins first is declared the winner.
No. Don't reveal my name. Don't reveal my name. No. Okay, call me Pink Panther.
Pink Panther. I'm not gonna. That's such a bad name.
Pink Panther.
Okay, Black.
Oh, an easy one.
Black Panther, boy. Black Panther.
Okay.
Oh, bro, what are these Steam names? Reddit name generator.
Reddit.
Okay.
Bro,
Ben
I
10.
wanna be Tyrone. Can you please?
Okay.
Wait, what's my nickname?
You're Gwen, bro. We already said this. We went through.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm here with Tyrone and Gwen, and we're gonna play a little bit of blackjack. Okay. Gwen, hit or miss.
It's
Tyrone,
Miss.
I'll be missing too, bro.
Miss.
Miss. I love how we just completely just changed the terminology. 12, 22, and you're
12.
out. So Tyrone and I, we get a point. Alright, first.
No.
Yes.
No.
Gwen is left behind.
No. It's because you guys cheat.
Bro.
You don't tell me the rules.
Bro, what do you mean? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Okay, so just to make sure. Slap, stand, slap. Okay, ready? 14. Stand.
14. Ooh.
15. And you're out. And 16. And the house lost, so we both won.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna beat that robot up.
6.
Oh my gosh, I got 17. So if the oh my gosh, okay, let me do all the possibilities out and then I'll tell you.
When it says lucky horseshoe, it means that the probability of success is like 50-50. And so you just have to be really lucky. Hit, stand. 21, so that worked out. 19 and
kaboom! 24. Adios, robot.
19 and only Gwen won.
You see, my calculations worked out, and I'm better than a robot.
All right.
Make sure to change my voice to a deeper voice every time I talk.
Absolutely not. I'm gonna stand. Tyrone.
Stand.
6, 13, 23. We all win. It's gonna be Gwen versus Robot now because we're 3-3. You have been eliminated, Tyrone.
Alright.
Bro, hold on. Freak, I stepped on bird poop. Ouch, that hurts. My audífonos are about to die. I'm changing the other ones.
Me say lucky horseshoe, loco. Lucky horseshoe. I'm not liking these odds. Okay, hit and stand. Ready?
Yeah, I'm hitting.
14.
¿Qué te digo? ¿Qué te digo?
Out.
¿Qué te digo?
24.
Freak, no.
If the AI wins, then humanity is doomed and robots will surely take control of society.
No. La casa wins. The house wins. That's a 9.
Ready?
That's a 9.
15.
9 and above.
Ready?
9.
It said 7. 14.
Ah.
House wins.
No.
Robot wins.
Evacuate the customers. You call the Navy.
Hello, operator. Get me the Navy.
All right, station, this is Mark Zuckerberg at Facebook. Can you hear me okay?
Squidward, the robots are running the Navy.
Not the Navy! Attention, everyone. Run for your lives. Robots have taken over the world.